A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means gend. C. C for cat. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E. E for egg. Egg means anda. F. F for fan. Fan means pankha. G. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for joker. Joker means joker. K. K for king. King means raja. L. L for lion. Lion means sher. M. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N. N for net. Net means jal. O. O for orange. Orange means shantra. P. P for pen. Pen means pen. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rose. Rose means gulab ka phool. S. S for sun. Sun means Surya. T. T for toy. Toy means khilona. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V. V for van. Van means gaadi. W. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Yak means pahadi whale. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means